D'accord, merci. Oui, oui. Okay, d'accord, merci. Right now we are at Bumpy Cafe. This is actually my second time coming here. I just ordered some fish, some chicken wings, some dessert, some lime juice. It's too much? It might be too much. Okay. So we just ate at Bumpy Cafe and now we are at Maison Handal. I just need to get a few things for the house. This store is very similar to Target, so you go in there for a few things and then you come out with way more. So I'm gonna just try to stick to my list. But yeah, so we're eating at Bumpy Cafe. I'm starting this new series on my channel where I do restaurant reviews. So the first one is gonna be for Bumpy Cafe. So look out for that one where I do a full review of the restaurant. But yeah, anyways, let me go inside and try to get as little as possible and try not to do too much in Maison Handal. Usually I go to the Maison Handal in Tabac. I don't really like the one in Petion-ville because it's on several different floors and you know it's like a tighter space, whereas the one in Tabac has like a really large space and the layout is a little different. So I definitely like the one in Tabac. Even though I live in this area, I used to literally drive by this one and go to the one in Tabac. That's how much I like the one in Tabac better than the one in Petion-ville. But Tabac is going through some things right now, so I don't really go there as much anymore. The last time I was in Tabac was probably like 3 or 4 months ago, so I don't go there as often as I used to. So yeah, anyways, I'm at Maison Handal in Petion-ville, gonna see if I can find what I'm looking for and be in and out of here. So yeah, let's go. No. Ok. Oui, on va prendre. Yeah, on va prendre. C'est simple comme ça. So we finally made it back home. There was so much traffic. I'm about to show you what we got from Maison handal. Not too much actually. I really needed to get some towels because I am replacing most of our towels. So this is the color that I picked out. I got 8 of them, 8 regular towels, and then just 4 of the hand towels. So I don't know, I like this color. So I got 8 of the regular towels, 4 of the hand towels, all the same color. I'm trying to rush to show you all this because they just gave the state electricity, and I use my washing machine on the state electricity, so it's too powerful for our inverter. So I have to wait until there's the state electricity or the generator to use it. So all of these, I'm about to put them in the washing machine. Then I got this. This is for my office bathroom. I think it's so pretty. I like the color. And that bathroom is really small, so I don't put 3. In our larger bathroom, I put 3 different bath mats. You know, like the set that comes with 3. But this one, because it's so small, I just always buy 2. It's big enough for that. What else did I get? I got a bucket. Needed, our other bucket is like, it's messed up, it cracked. How did it break? These are very durable. So if it breaks, then, why did it break? Did I break it? I feel like, did I drop it or something? First of all, they're very sturdy. So I can't even imagine how it broke because they're very sturdy. But I got another one, and then I got this glass bottle. Hold on, can I open it? But when I was in the car, I was thinking like, can I put ice in it? Because I think the head is, oh, okay, I think I can put ice in it. Okay. I thought this was the only opening, but I think you can twist this off. Okay. Anyways, yeah, it's a glass bottle. It's pretty nice. Sammy wanted to get this because I'm always complaining about our knives not being sharp enough. We have a knife sharpener, but I don't know. It's like, it just stopped working. I don't know. I just feel like it's not really sharpening the knives like how it should be. But anyways, I'm about to go downstairs in the laundry area. I'm about to put these in the wash. Hopefully they don't take the electricity. So over the past few months, there have been so many issues with electricity. Like they just gave it like 3 minutes ago. That's why I was rushing to do this. And sometimes like it'll be on for 10 minutes and then it'll go off. You know, so there are some issues with it. I don't know what's going on. I'm gonna put in the washer. Hopefully they don't take the electricity. It is so loud down here. So the inverter is charging, and whenever it's charging, it has this like fan noise. And then the washing machine is on, of course. Then the water pump is on. So the water pump also only works on the state's electricity or a generator. So basically, whenever there's a state electricity, it sends water up to our water tank so that we could have like running water. So that's on. So there's like 3 different things on right now down here. I'm just staying down here until the washing machine fills up a little bit, because I don't like to put detergent directly onto my clothes or whatever I'm washing. I don't know, I feel like it always stains it if I have like a dark color detergent. I just like for it to fill up a little bit and then I add the detergent. So that's what I'm waiting for. So I'm going to use this one for the towels because I feel like this has such a strong scent. I don't like washing towels with anything that has too much perfume, so I'm gonna use this one for the towels. So we actually only have a washing machine. We didn't buy the dryer. We almost bought the dryer, but the thing is, like where we live, they made the connections for a washing machine. So they had everything set up. If you want a washing machine, you can buy a washing machine and you just gotta call someone to come and set it up for you. Like everything was already set. And so when it came to the dryer, apparently they were supposed to do the connection, but they didn't. So they would have to like go into the wall, and mind you, this is cement, like concrete walls. This is not, drywall. So they would have to like go into the wall and put in some vent or something like that and all this stuff. And I was like, you know what, it's not worth it. This is not our home. This is a rental. So I don't want to go through all that. But the reason why I really wanted a dryer was for towels and sheets, for the most part. Like I don't really mind air drying clothes, but for some reason towels, it's just different. Like when towels air dry, I feel like they are kind of rough. They're kind of rough. So I really wanted a dryer just for that. And since they didn't have it set up, I was like, I'm just not getting it. I'm not going through all of that. There are some really dark clouds coming in, so I feel like it's gonna rain. And whenever it starts raining, they cut off the state's electricity, so the towels might not finish in time. So yeah, I don't know, it hasn't started yet, but I can see the clouds forming. Sometimes the washing machine cuts off during the spin cycle, and I feel like that's gonna mess it up. But we've had it since last year and it's okay so far, but I feel like if they keep taking the electricity during spin and it's like spinning like really fast and it just cuts off, like, I really think over time it's gonna mess it up, but I don't know what should we do. The machine stopped in time, so the towels are done. Do y'all hear the beeping? I was trying to check to see if it's gonna cut back on, because sometimes it cuts off for like 30 seconds and then it cuts back on. So basically our inverter isn't charging anymore because they just took the state electricity. While I'm down here taking the towels out of the washing machine, that is when they ended up cutting off the state electricity. So the towels are out of the washing machine and on the drying rack. I actually use all of our drying racks. There's one over there and that one as well. I do that so that they aren't close to each other. Like if I had a towel here, and a towel here, then there wouldn't be enough space in between for them to dry. So that's why I skip some, and then I use two, like, see, instead of putting one here and here, I just put one so that it gives it enough space to really air dry, because obviously it's nighttime right now, so they're not out in the sun. I have the worst luck with plants. All three of these were in the living room. I mean, this one right here, you can't even tell that it existed. This one is a little better than that one, but they're both pretty much gone. So I put them out here to get some rainwater. I hope it helps. But I think I'm just gonna get some new plants. The reason we got these plants is because the guy said these plants don't die easily. You can go to New York for 4 months and they'll still be alive. You can put them in the bathroom and then they'll be alive. I guess we just don't have any luck with plants. This one right here was on my bookshelf. Someone said to put it outside and it will be better, and it was a fail. I still want to keep these though. This is made out of bamboo. I think I should probably just take these out and put something else in them. I still like these.